Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to this channel. This is Aisha. I want to walk you through how we cooked or prepared rice ball with groundnut soup growing up. So I've just set my fire, so let me show you. So the next step is for me to get my ingredients and then start with my cooking. I hope you enjoyed. Please stay tuned, don't go away. So let me show you the things that I have. I have my tomato and some pepper here. I also have my onion, my seasoning cube, my fish, and also my dawa here. I also have my meat here. I'll be washing it soon. I have rice, local rice, and I also have my peanut butter here. You remember I showed you how I made peanut butter, so it is here and I'm going to use it to cook. So right now I'm just going to add my washed tomatoes and also the pepper, and I'll chop the onion. So because of time, I'm going to use 2 coal pots. So now I'll just add my salt. I don't like too much salt. I don't know why. So I'll add my stock cube, which is here. And I'll add some water. So now I'll cover this one. This is the rice, locally grown in northern Ghana. So I'm going to wash it. It doesn't have stones in it. Nowadays, they process it well. So I'm pounding the dawa and the fish. This is the way I want it. Na kwang. Na large. So I'll add some salt. And you give it a stir. And I'll cover it. So now I'm going to check on the meat. So for the meat, I'll just remove it and add the peanut butter. My boy is still crying. He's eating well, everything, no matter the number of times that you just let him breastfeed. and the moment you want to move away, he's crying. And I've ever had some burn, so now I fear for kids to come near fire. So this is the peanut butter I made. For children, they don't know danger. This fire too, it's even the charcoal splashes, so it can hurt a child. So you have to stir it to dissolve it. So the peanut butter, I'll give it some time for it to cook. And you see that it will produce some oil on top of it. So you have to move a little backwards, if not it will splash on your dress. You can also decide to be stirring it. You add little water as you go. So I think now we can see the oil that has just surfaced. So I'm going to add some water at this point. So this is the tomatoes. And you stir everything together. I'm going to add this one. When I was steaming the meat, I used one. So guys, you see, our soup is almost done. So let me check on the rice. So this is how we do the rice balls. You can also add cornstarch, but I don't usually add because I don't like it that way. So I'll just bring it down before I try to mold it. And the soup too, it wants to boil, so I have to just sit by it. And this is what I'll be doing. Or sometimes you can even add water as it rises. My soup is done. I'm just going to put it down. So now this is what I'm going to do. So this is water. So this one, I'll just dip it in the water. And with this, yes. This is how I come. I'll scoop it this way. And I'll dip my hand in the water. Can you see that? Then I'll put it here gently. Now I'll repeat till everything is done. So that's how they used to do it growing up. But now people tie it in rubbers. Even myself, I do it. This is the healthiest way. I'm just trying to be quick. So this was how they used to do it. They would just put it in a pan or pot and we'll all go and pick, or they will serve us. So very soon it will become very hard. You see, when you put it, it melts. So the reason why some of them they put the cornstarch is to just keep it firm. It's very hot, but growing up we're used to it. So I'm done. So this is the rice ball. This is it. Rice ball with groundnut soup. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also share this video. So I'll just show you when it becomes solidified how I'll remove it. So have you seen what I was saying? I can easily remove it after some minutes. So this is our rice ball, the locally made rice ball. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.